Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings on the Once Human game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Once Human game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to change your graphic settings, just click on the settings button. This will now take you into your game settings. From here, click on graphics at the top. And now within the basics tab, you can choose from full screen or windowed mode. And you may also select your resolution. You also have the option to choose your brightness within this menu. Then click on performance, and now you can change all of the presets and the elements of your detailed graphics. From the main graphics drop-down menu, you can choose from the various presets from very low, ranging all the way to very high. Now if your GPU has high enough VRAM, then you can choose the very high option, or you can try decreasing the presets one step at a time to find the right balance. Underneath this, you can choose your maximum frame rate, and you can also choose your graphics API from DirectX 11 and 12. You also have the options to enable image enhancement with AMD FSR. Underneath this, you can also use super resolution to enhance your graphics further. Below this, you have various different options that you can modify based on your desire. If you don't exactly know what you're doing, then it is recommended that you just stick with modifying the presets. After choosing your desired values, tap on the apply button, and now your settings will be applied to your game, and you can start your new game now, and it will begin with your chosen graphic settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the Once Human game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.